Looking for top-tier automatic gates and barriers in the UAE? Meet Addiba, your trusted partner for automated access solutions since 2014. We specialize in the trading, installation and maintenance of high-quality systems for homes, businesses and industrial sites across the entire UAE. Leading brands like Life, Kane, Nice and BFT. We bring you the latest in automation technology. Whether you need sliding gates, swing gates, parking barriers, or security bollards, we have the perfect solution for you. Our expert team, led by engineer Shuaib Sheikh, ensures every installation is seamless and reliable. We offer comprehensive services, including maintenance contracts, upgrades, and 24/7 emergency support. From Dubai to Abu Dhabi and all other Emirates, we've got you covered. Ready to enhance your security and convenience? Contact us today. Visit our website or call engineer Shuaib Sheikh directly for a consultation. Addiba, securing your world with excellence.